What's up, party people? Today we are getting my bumper repaired that was hit in a parking lot. The person that hit it did not leave a note, which is kind of a bummer, but we're getting that repaired by FYXME. They're coming to my brother's house. I'm working there remotely. So we'll see how the process goes. I'll give you an honest review, see how it all works out, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Thanks. Mobile service, auto body repair. Let's go. And they're repairing this guy right there. Let's see how it'll turn out. Check them out. Getting the prep work for the paint that's about to go down. Look at that. Flawless, it looks like. Well, without the paint. It's coming along. I'll definitely get a after clip of showing you the paint work that has been done, so stay tuned for that. But check out FYXME. They're mobile, they come to you. The service was phenomenal. The communication was even better. I actually got text updates when my tech was gonna arrive. I got a text reminder that it was today at 8 a.m. that I was having the work done. I highly recommend them. On Google, they have like almost 500 reviews and like over 4.9 stars. So kudos to FYXME. They are phenomenal, and I cannot wait to show you the aftermath and the finished product of repainting the bumper that was sadly damaged. So stay tuned. Stage one of the paint. Oh my goodness, it looks good. I think that's the primer. But that looks clean. Holy cow, that looks good. So that was the base coat. Now he's doing a little bit more.
I also take care of some inspections.
Yeah, thank you. These guys are phenomenal. Unreal. Sergio is the man. Wow. The attention to detail, Sergio, you're the man. This is unreal.
All right, man.
Looks so good. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh my, this is unreal. Holy cow. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys the car when it's done. And just like that, they got here at 8 a.m. They are leaving at 12 noon, 4 hours, but they come to you and let me show you their work. Sergio was absolutely phenomenal. 4 hours, that's less than a work day. And they come to you on your doorstep. I'm actually at my brother's house right now, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait to tell you and show you the final product of the fixed bumper repair. But first, I got a quote from another shop who I've used in the past, and they quoted me 4 days, $1,150 for the repair. 4 days and at over $1,000. I'm not going through insurance. I didn't go through insurance because I think my deductible was about 500 or 1,000. So I said, screw that, might as well just pay out of pocket. I'm glad I did. This quote was actually $665. Not bad at all considering the absolute amazing customer service that they showed. So without further ado, I will show you the final product and show you what the bumper looks like. Side note, I cannot wash it for 2 days and I can't drive it for 2 hours. So all in all, about a 6-hour work start to finish between when he got here, when he started, and when I can drive it on the road, because he says it's a little bit sticky still and I can't wash it for 2 days. So let's check it out. Literally cannot tell that it was ever in that little whatever it was from the parking lot that someone hit that didn't leave a note, but oh my gosh, he blended it so well. Let me autofocus here. Look at that. Can't even tell that anything was done, blended perfectly, side angle right here. Let me get the autofocus. So nice. It still looks a little wet, so that makes sense, but absolutely phenomenal job. Look at that, brand spanking new. I am stoked. As you can tell from my voice, I was so worried that it wasn't gonna blend or it wasn't gonna come out right, but I am stoked. Wow, I am blown away by the level of work that FYXME did. I am so stoked that I called them, reached out to them, found them. My brother actually gave me the recommendation. I am not in any way sponsored to post them on this video. I genuinely had a phenomenal experience. I have a little over 1,000 subscribers at the launch of this video. I genuinely loved what they did. Sergio, if you ever watch this, you are the man. Thank you so much. I will definitely use them in the future. Hopefully I don't have to, but if I do, if you're in the Southern Orange County area and you need your car repaired, worked on, anything like that, please hit them up. I will put the link of their website down in the description below. You submit a few photos, you get a quote over the internet. Quote doesn't change from what I paid. They are phenomenal. Check them out. FYXME, Southern Orange County, if you need your car repaired. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.